We will create our own environment with the Create Ambience option. We have found two images that contain the kitchen environment. Select the kitchen table image from these images and create the ambience. We position our model directly onto the table. We update the camera and save our project. We choose the glass component from the microwave model, identify a suitable material for it, and then drag and drop the material onto the glass. Once we've identified the suitable materials for the other components, we define each material by simply dragging and dropping it onto the respective component. Utilizing the live preview feature, we observe the closest image to the rendered one. Based on this observation, we conclude that we should illuminate the inside of the microwave. To do this, we drag and drop a material with emissive property to the lamp component and make the necessary adjustments. Now we will identify an emitter light to the clock. We have the flexibility to identify the material not just in xStudio, but also in xDesign. We update our project to bring the material we identified in xDesign to xStudio. We enable the clock to emit light by adjusting the emission color and value parameters within the material properties. We replicate this process for components whose materials have already been identified in xDesign. We will create a new scene to show the microwave cover in the open position. After making the necessary positioning, we open the microwave cover at a certain angle. Given that we won't require any interior lighting with the cover open, we'll hide the lamp component for this scene. During the live preview, we observed that the microwave wasn't staying close to the surface of the table. To remedy this, we'll adjust the ground offset value accordingly. We create a new scene to see the microwave from the opposite side. We create a new ambience special for this scene. On this screen allows you to test how well the model blends with the background without affecting the camera position in the project. We position the microwave directly onto the kitchen counter. Following necessary adjustments to the ground offset, we update the camera settings and save our project. Prior to rendering, we adjust the aspect ratio to 16.9 and initiate a high-quality render job at Ultra HD resolution. We replicate the identical steps to initiate rendering jobs in the remaining scenes. Using the 360 sequence feature in the camera settings, we initiate the rendering job to create a high-quality, interactive image in full HD resolution. Finally, to move our project to the AR environment, we export it in GLB format.